I'm Stacy. I'm a client here at Dr. J's office, and I'm 53 years old today. I've had trouble with my teeth. Actually, it goes all the way back to when I was 18 years old. I was in a bad car accident, and half of my teeth got chipped in half and stuff like that. But anyway, I came here finally. I've been saving for a long time. Actually, me and my husband were saving for a house. But, when I turned 53, I said, man, I want to live a good life now. I want to live a quality life now. And I want to feel good about myself. I want to be able to eat all kinds of food, anything I want to eat. And I want to smile and love my smile and feel better and good inside. So I talked to my husband, and we just finally came to a conclusion that I'm going to spend that money, some of the money we've been saving, because I'd rather live a good life now than stay with messed up teeth for another 5 years, so before I could get the money to pay to come. So I just said, I'm going to do it now. So I came here, and Dr. J, he's been my dentist the whole time. I trust him so much. After he put in my top implant, I got upper implants. See, they're so great. My mouth is still a little swollen, but anyway, they go beyond here. He fixed my bottom teeth too, because I couldn't afford bottom implants. So he shaved them all down so they'd be even. He whitened them. He did all kinds of stuff for me. He's such a giver here. This place is so nice. They've changed my life. They changed me at my work environment when I talk to customers or just talk to friends or talk to anybody. And now when I look at myself in the mirror, I feel so good and warm and cozy inside. And I'm so glad and proud I came here and did this for myself. You have to put yourself first. And you have to, we only have one life to live. We don't have any do-overs. So we have got to be good to ourselves. And I just want to say one last thing. Now, since this office has given me so much and enriched my life, just like I know they will yours, you just have to take that first step. Just walk in the office and the rest is going to be handled. It's easy too. Very easy peasy. But anyway, I just want to say, now that he's given me so much in my life, I'm going to turn around and share my story with others, even at my work environment. I'm going to try to send him new clients because I want them to have the same feeling I have after coming here. This has been my greatest Christmas present. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Come see Dr. J. I don't know.